In this video, I'm going to show you how to change nickname on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, on my profile, as you can see, my nickname is Sinan and it is being shown on my profile. So now if you want to change this nickname, you have to tap on the menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the menu, you have to tap on the settings icon or the gear icon which is present at the top right side of your screen. Now on your settings and privacy, you have to tap on the very first option that says see more in account center. Now on your account center, you have to tap on profiles. In profiles, select your Facebook account. On your Facebook account, you have to tap on name. So now in name, you have to tap on manage other names. Once you tap on that, you will be redirected to this page. So now from here, you have to make sure that your nickname is already written in the name section. Now if you want to change it, you simply have to type in the new nickname of your Facebook account. So for example, I want to change it from Sinan to Wanderer. So I will simply type Wanderer and then checkmark the option that says show at top of profile. Once I am done, I have to tap on save which is present at the center right side of my screen. So by doing this, I will be able to easily change my nickname on my Facebook account. So everyone, now on my profile, as you can see, I have easily changed my nickname on Facebook. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.